Welcome back guys to another video, and in today's video we are going to discuss top 5 features of this newly released Realme 3 Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. Realme 3 Pro runs on a 2.2 GHz Snapdragon 710 processor and comes with 4GB/6GB of RAM. Realme 3 Pro comes with an Ultra HD mode that will allow users to take 64 megapixel photos. There is also a 16+5 megapixel dual rear camera with Sony IMX519 flagship grade sensor. Realme 3 Pro owners will also be able to record 960 fps super slow-mo videos. There is also a 25 megapixel AI selfie camera, which is amazing. Fortnite and PUBG are some of the most popular and graphic intensive games, and Realme Pro will be able to handle them without any problems. This phone also features Hyper Boost that will ensure perfect gaming performance and user experience. Now think about it, a game like Fortnite that can run on such a low cost smartphone, it's really surprising. Realme 3 Pro comes with a 4045 mAh battery, which is slightly bigger than its competitor Redmi Note 7 Pro. Realme 3 Pro also comes with Book 3.0 fast charging, which is a 20-watt charger that is included in the box. The pricing of this device is surprisingly good. The 4GB RAM and 64GB storage model comes with a price of 14,000. Now think about it guys, a phone with Snapdragon 710 processor and with a massive battery that also capable of fast charging, that also in such a low price. This phone is worth. What do you think about this device? Comment down, and as always, like if you enjoyed the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome contents and tech updates like this. I will catch up with you guys later. Peace out.